Your credit score isn't just a number, it's literally money out of your pocket. A difference of 100 points between a 650 and 750 score can cost you $50,000 to $100,000 more in interest on a 30-year mortgage. Yet most people have no idea why their score is stuck, and they're making 5 critical mistakes right now that guarantee it'll stay that way. I'm going to show you exactly what those mistakes are and how to fix them in the next 30 days without waiting years for your credit to recover. The first mistake is running high credit utilization, and this one costs people thousands. Your credit utilization ratio, that's the percentage of your available credit you're actually using, makes up 30% of your credit score. If you've got a $5,000 credit limit and you're carrying a $3,000 balance, that's 60% utilization, and your score is bleeding points. Here's what most people don't realize. You don't have to pay off the balance to fix this. Call your credit card companies today and ask for a credit limit increase. Even a $2,000 increase on that card drops your utilization to 40% and can add 20 to 40 points to your score within 30 days. Mistake number 2 is neglecting your payment history, which is the heaviest weight on your score at 30 FI. A single late payment can drop your score 100 points instantly. But here's the secret most credit repair companies don't tell you. If you've got late payments, calling the creditor and negotiating a goodwill deletion actually works. Ask them to remove the late payment as a one-time courtesy. Success rate? About 50% on your first try. If they say no, ask if you pay in full, would they remove it? You're not asking for forgiveness. You're offering a solution that benefits both of you. The third mistake is closing old accounts, and this one is sneaky because it feels responsible. When you pay off a credit card, the instinct is to close it and move on. Don't. Closing an account reduces your available credit, which spikes your utilization ratio, and it also lowers the average age of your accounts. That average age is 15th of your score. If your oldest account is 10 years old and you close it, you're killing the very thing that builds credit. Instead, keep the account open. Use it for one small purchase every few months, and pay it off immediately. You're building age and lowering utilization at the same time. Mistake number 4 is racking up multiple hard inquiries in a short time. Every time you apply for new credit, that's a hard inquiry, and it temporarily dings your score. What kills people is applying for 3 credit cards in 2 months trying to get better terms. That's 3 hard inquiries, and creditors see that as desperation. Hard inquiries stay on your report for 12 months and impact your score for about 6. If you need new credit, space applications out by at least 3 months. And here's the real hack. Soft inquiries don't hurt your score at all. Pre-qualification offers are soft inquiries, so take those before committing to a hard pull. Now, here's your 30-day action plan. Week 1. Call all 3 credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, TransUnion, and get your free credit report at annualcreditreport.com. Look for errors, inaccuracies, or fraudulent accounts. Dispute anything that's wrong. Week 2. Call your credit card issuers and request credit limit increases on your oldest accounts. Week 3. Negotiate goodwill deletions on any late payments from the last 2 years. Week 4. Ensure you've got at least 2 accounts reporting perfect payment history going forward. Set up autopay for the minimum on every card and move on. The reason I'm telling you this is because building credit is the foundation of real financial freedom. You can't invest aggressively, save money effectively, or build passive income if you're paying 12% interest rates on everything. Better credit means lower rates, which means more money stays in your pocket for actual wealth building. This isn't financial advice. It's a framework you should run by your specific situation and maybe a financial advisor if you've got significant delinquencies. But for most people watching this, these 5 mistakes are costing you tens of thousands of dollars over your lifetime. If you found this valuable, like this video and subscribe for more personal finance content that actually moves the needle. I'm uploading weekly videos on money tips, credit improvement, budget strategies, and how to build real financial freedom without waiting 10 years. Drop a comment with your biggest credit score question, and I'll answer it in the next video. Thanks for watching.